Hello, my name is Chris Turner. I'm the owner of Radical Transformation and also the course facilitator for the Lean Transformation training courses available on this website. In this video, I'd like to give a quick overview of Step 2 in my 10-step training and implementation model and explain a little bit about what Step 2 is. So in Step 2, we look at value stream mapping. The purpose of value stream mapping is to really take a dive into the particular work area or department within an organization and discover the hidden waste. Where is it hidden? And the reason I say hidden waste, because if it was obviously out there under everybody's nose, they would have recognized it and done something about it. But because it's hidden, nobody really sees it, because as they go through their day-to-day processes or activities, they just are blinded to it. It's a blind spot to them. And so they're just repeating the same procedures over and over again, and they don't really see where the waste is. Once you start to use value stream mapping, you can graphically depict the work area on paper, and then you can get all the people, the relevant experts into the room and start to actually pick their brains and start to build up the value stream map and really highlight where those hidden wastes are in the processes, and then what can be done to remove them out of the system. So there are two levels to value stream mapping. There's drawing the current state, that is an as-is state, so as the organization operates now, today, and then you draw the future state, and what the future state represents is really the current state without the hidden waste. So once you've eliminated most of the waste and improved the flow within particular procedures like a department or a work area, then you can actually develop the future state. And the purpose of value stream mapping is to move the current state into the future state. So everybody asks the question, well, when is it done? It's done when the future state becomes your current state. And then you start over again, because you're going to go through the next iteration or the next level of improvement within every organization. You've got to remember that improvement is a progressive system, a progressive activity. You don't always see things in the beginning, but as you learn more and you have the better tools to actually open your eyes, then you see more. And this is the purpose of value stream mapping and what it really does. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you very quickly about Step 2 value stream mapping and the importance of it and why it's in the 10-step model. Okay, thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope one day to see you inside of one of my Lean Transformation courses. Until then, take care of yourself.